Hello, business communicators. Instructions for week 8. We will be reading chapter 8 this week, covering persuasive messages. Please read the chapter and watch the corresponding chapter talks. There are 2 chapter talks this week. Also, take the corresponding quiz worth 15 points. Additionally, you have your chapter 8 Applia assignment. We have a spelling quiz this week. Please note we skipped list 7 and we will be resuming with list 8. And then additionally, your application assignment. We are going on an ADA scavenger hunt. After you have read the text and watched the chapter talk, this will make more sense. But this assignment, you will be tasked to find images that represent each step in the ADA process, and then you will be asked to briefly explain how the image represents that step in the process. Again, this will make complete sense when you have read the chapter and watched the chapter talk. Please be in touch with any questions. Thank you.